Hi guys, I'm Kevin and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make a dehydrated minestrone soup. You are going to need a couple of onions, some garlic, a couple of stalks of celery, a can of white kidney or cannelli beans, a can of chickpeas, a can of diced tomatoes, some vegetable stock, some frozen chopped spinach that's been thawed, and some ditalini pasta. If you can't find ditalini pasta, don't worry. You can use any small pasta, macaroni or bow tie pasta will work just fine. Ditalini is just a little more traditional. And you'll need some dried oregano and parsley. Okay, let's do the prep. Almost there. Let's open some cans and assemble this meal. Does this pot look too full? Well, it should. That's because I did a double batch. I didn't show you everything that I was doing, but I doubled the ingredients, and you'll be fine if you just use the regular recipe. I'm going to spread the soup out on my dehydrator trays. And I'm using these fruit roll trays that fit the Nesco dehydrator that I have. These are a great investment if you're going to be getting into soups and stews and that kind of thing. After that, I'm going to set my dehydrator to 135 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's going to take as long as it takes to dehydrate. Times will vary widely depending on how full your dehydrator is, the power of your dehydrator, and the relative humidity inside your house. All right, if you've come this far into the video, you might also be interested in my book, Backcountry Eats. The minestrone soup recipe is in here, along with over 100 other recipes. The first half of the book is all about meal planning and dehydrator selection and how to dehydrate individual foods. There's a lot more in here. I can't make a video for everything, so I decided to put it all into one package. And if you're interested in making meals for the backcountry, Backcountry Eats is your go-to source of information. You can get this on Amazon or on my website, backcountryeats.com. That's backcountry-eats.com. I'll put a link down below in the description. Your final product is going to look like this. Everything will be nice and dry and crispy. I just load this into a bowl, clean up my mess, and I'll package it in a large Ziploc bag to store in the freezer for the long term. I will add the dried herbs right before I put the bag in the freezer. You don't have to store these in the freezer, but if you do, they will last a very, very long time. For an individual serving before I go on a trip, I'm going to mark a smaller bag. And then I'm going to weigh out 130 grams of dried ingredients. That will be one serving for myself. There, that's ready for the backcountry. Here is my packaged minestrone soup ready for the backcountry. Let's rehydrate this. For most meals, I'd stop right there, but this is a soup, so I'm going to add about another inch. Let the meal rest in a pot cozy for 15 or 20 minutes. When it's done, I'm going to give it another stir. And then I'm going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil. I think that's looking pretty good. I might normally eat this out of the pot, but this is a video, so let's put it in a bowl and add some Parmesan cheese. All right, well, here it is. Let's give this a try. That is really, really good. The broth is very flavorful. Everything has rehydrated very well, including the chickpeas. This is excellent. I've got some canoe trips planned this summer. This is coming with me. All right. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit like, share, and subscribe. As always, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.